Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to lower calcium hardness in pool. Start by testing hardness with a reliable kit and record the ppm value so you know your target. If levels are high, plan a partial drain and refill using fresh water and balance pH and alkalinity afterwards. Consider a sequestering agent to manage calcium while you dilute, and always follow product directions for safe handling and dosing. Begin by bringing pH to the ideal range and adjusting total alkalinity, because balanced chemistry prevents scale and corrosion. Plan a partial drain and refill, aiming for 20 to 50% replacement based on your hardness goal and local tap hardness. After refilling, run the filter and add a sequestering chemical if needed to keep dissolved calcium from precipitating while you retest and fine-tune your water chemistry over several days. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful pool tips. Quick recommendation. A book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can change how you think about money and help you budget for upgrades like a new heater or water treatment. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Keep the problem from coming back by testing calcium hardness about once a month and after major water changes or heavy bather load. If your fill water is high in minerals, consider alternative sources or pre-treating with a water softener to avoid repeated dilution. Maintain proper pH, alkalinity, and sanitizer levels, and use a sequestering agent as part of regular maintenance when your water chemistry trends toward higher calcium hardness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.